Hello, today we will guide you through how to add image to PDF in iLovePDF. To begin, open the workspace page in your browser. This is where you'll access the editing tools needed to work with your PDF. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're in the main workspace area, since that's where the document tools are organized. Next, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Edit. This section is used for making changes to existing PDF files, including adding visual elements like images. If you don't immediately see all the options, just give the menu a quick scan and select the editing area. After that, click on Edit File. This will open the tool that lets you choose the PDF you want to modify. At this stage, the platform is preparing to load a document so you can start making changes directly on the page. You'll then want to click on Choose from Recent Files. This is a convenient option if the PDF you want to use has already been accessed recently. It can save time compared to uploading the file again from your device. Once the Recent Files list appears, look for the sample file and select it to open it in the editor. When the file opens, you should see the editing toolbar at the top of the screen. From there, click on Image Plus. This option is used to insert an image into your PDF. After selecting it, the platform will prompt you to continue with the image adding process. At this point, follow the on-screen procedure. Depending on the interface, you may be asked to choose an image from your device, place it onto the page, and adjust its position or size. Be sure to move the image carefully so it appears exactly where you want it in the PDF. If resizing handles appear, use them to make the image fit naturally within the document layout. As you work, it's a good idea to double-check the image placement before finishing. Make sure it doesn't cover important text or extend beyond the page margins. Taking an extra second here can help the final PDF look much cleaner and more professional. Once you've completed the on-screen prompts, your image should now be added to the PDF. That's all it takes to insert an image into your document using the editor. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helped make the process simple and clear.